friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you guys here today. Today, we're gonna get straight into the video. I'm going to show you guys what is in my Telfar bag. So if you haven't already seen my Telfar unboxing video, go ahead and watch that first and then come back to this one. I'll leave a link in the cards above and also in the description box below. If you didn't see it, I'm just gonna tell you I got 3 bags. So this was one of them. This is a medium size shopping bag in the color black, and then I also got the small shopping bag in bubblegum. It's like a pink color and a navy blue. Yeah, we're just gonna show you what's in this one because I can't really put a lot in the other bags. This is like my everyday bag. I've worn it to work already. I've worn it to church, and yeah, you can see it's already kind of full. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have in it. And I did mention that I was going to get a purse organizer. So I bought this from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for that. Before I actually show you what's in here, I'm going to talk about the organizer for a second. So I actually bought 3 of them. I bought the one that I have in my bag, and then I bought this pink one. It's a little bit longer. And then I also bought a black one because my bag is black. I didn't know if I wanted to do a pop of color or just keep it black. But it's inside of my bag and no one is going to be looking in there except for you guys because I'm showing you what's in my bag. But I wanted to get something to organize it because, as you know, there is only this one pocket with a zipper in the bag, and your stuff is just free to do whatever, and I do not like that with my bags. For my Louis Vuitton Neverfull bag, I also bought a purse organizer. So if you're interested in seeing that, I'll leave it link up in the cards above and in the description box. But I just think those are the best options for those type of bags because I love wearing them, but it's just, I know I carry a lot in my bags and I just don't want my stuff just rolling around in the bag. So I needed to get an organizer. Now that I'm done with that, I'll just show you guys what I have in my bag. So in the little pocket, I just have some stuff related to my phone. I have this selfie light. It's actually really cool. I got it from Dave & Buster's. You just clip it on your phone like that, and it's really cool, convenient, and it gets brighter. I thought it turned it off when I clicked it, but I think it gets brighter. There's 2 or 3 light settings here, and then it turns off. So 1, 2, 3, and then it turns back off. That's pretty cool. Next, I just have an extra phone charger just in case, because you never know where you're going to end up if you're going to need your phone charger. So I like to always have a phone charger in my bag. Along with the charging cord, I also have this portable charger. So you press the power button, it lights up here, and it lasts for a little while. This has been very reliable for me for, I want to say I've had it for like 5 or 6 years. And you see it's all scratched and scarred up. It's been a while, but it's a necessity for my bag. And then I have some earphones. I have the ones with the cord, and then I have my wireless AirPods. And these are like the first ones, you know, the regular original ones. I'm not buying the new ones. I buy new Apple everything, so they're not getting my money for no new AirPods. And then I have this little bag. It has like little pads. If y'all have never heard of Honey Pot, y'all should look into it. It's Black owned business, and they use herbs in their sanitary napkins and even the tampons, and I like it. I like it a lot. So I have these little pads in here. I also have Band-Aids just in case. I have spare masks. Have Advil, and I have this mini perfume that I got from Dossier. I did a video on this. This is actually the dupe to the Chanel Gabrielle perfume, and I think it's really good. So I keep a little mini bottle in my bag, and then I always have some type of napkin or something in here. I'm a little clumsy, so I gotta have a napkin in there just in case. Okay, so I also have another mask. I love this mask. I got this from Amazon actually. There's like a pack of 60 or something like that. And once again, cheetah print. I love cheetah prints. And then I have like my basics. I have some hand sanitizer. I have a few lip products in here. So I have this Bliss-X fruit smoothies in the flavor Melon Medley. I have my MAC, doesn't even have the name on it anymore, but MAC lip gloss. It's an OG. I love MAC products. They've been in the makeup game forever, and it's quality products. I use their foundation, I use their powder, their lipsticks, and lip glosses, and I really like them. Also have Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil and a chapstick Total Hydration with sea minerals. So this one is actually a tinted lip balm. It is pink. Well, it says sheer glow, but it's a little pink, and it shows up on your lips pink, so I like that. Always gotta have something for your lips, especially since it's almost winter and it's dry outside and your lips need to be moisturized. And speaking of moisturizing, I got some lotion. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is a champagne apple and honey. I'm actually gonna put it on my hands right now because I just washed them before this video and they're a little dry, a little ashy. So I really like this lotion. It's a shea butter hand cream, and it has vitamin E, aloe, shea plus coconut butter, and hyaluronic acid. It's 24-hour moisture made without parabens or artificial dyes, and it's not tested on animals, and it's vegan. So I like it because it is really creamy, it's really thick, and it smells really, really good. Yum. So that was on the side of this little organizer. Now in the middle, I just have my wallet. I switch out my wallet sometimes. I have two here. So I have my Coach little wallet that I use in my small bag, and I switch it out for this bigger Coach one. And I have other ones too, but I like this one because it's black and it's big. This bag is big, so I don't have to worry about space. When I do my little camera bag, I have like a small little Coach bag. It's in the same type of material and print. I just use this and drop it in there, but I forgot to actually switch some of my stuff over, so I have both of these. Then I have my car keys. I have on here, I have my mailbox key, my home key, my I think this is a key to my drawer at work, and then my boyfriend's key. So I used to have a lot of stuff on my keychain, and then this thing is from Las Vegas. It has a G on it. I used to have a lot of keys on my keychain and a lot of, like, you know, the little reward cards at different stores. They used to be on there, but thanks to COVID, I just took all the things I don't need and just have the necessities on my key ring. And then I have some candy. I have some trash. This is Airheads. This is Halloween candy. Airheads, Snickers. Snickers are my favorite. It's Snickers and Reese cups, and I have Reese cups in here. So I bought a whole bunch of candy for Halloween, and it rained here, so we didn't get as many kids as I expected. So I have a lot of candy left over. But trash, I'm actually going to throw that out. And some candy. And then I took some tangerines to work this week that I did not eat, so this is still in my bag. Some more candy, fruit snacks. I always have me a pack of fruit snacks in there because I'm always getting hungry, so I gotta have, I usually don't have a lot of candy because Halloween was just like last week, so that's why I have candy, but I always usually have me some type of fruit snack. And then I have my vitamins that have been sitting in here for a while. I need to eat them or take them. I have fish oil, vitamin D, vitamin C, and a multivitamin. Then I always have me a pen. I actually need to have some type of paper in here. I guess if I needed it, I could use that napkin that I had, or this Nordstrom's coupon. The inside, I'm not going to show you all the coupon because I don't want y'all stealing my savings. But it's the coupon for Nordstrom's. Holiday is coming up. I can't believe it. Everybody's talking about Christmas already. And we literally just had Halloween. But that's how marketing and sales go. Everyone's ready for the greatest time of the year. So then I have some gum. The 5 gum and peppermint cobalt. And I have 1 month left, but I only have like 3 pieces left in here, so we are all good. We should be able to finish that in a few weeks. And then I have some mace. All you gotta do is open that up and then spray. I like to keep this on me. It was on my keychain, but I went to a Chris Brown concert a couple years ago and I had to throw it away because they didn't let you bring mace in the concert. So I just keep it in my purse, not necessarily on my keychain, just so that like when I go to the airport and things like that, I don't forget that it's on my keychain and then have to discard a bit. And then I got 2 phones. I got 2 phones. I got my 2 phones. This is my personal phone and this is my work phone. My work phone is actually better. This is a iPhone 13 Plus or Pro, whatever that is, and then iPhone 11. So my 2 phones. I use these for vlogging because I do not like to bring my big Canon camera when I go on vacation, so I definitely use my phone. This one actually has more storage. My work phone has more storage. It has 256 gigabytes. This one only has 128. So I use them interchangeably. This one has 3 cameras. This one only has 2. So I use them both. They're both good cameras, but obviously this one is a little bit better. It's a newer one out of the 2. So thankful for 2 phones because it's really helpful for my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and things like that. The last thing I have in my bag is this Pokemon Go Plus thing. So I still play Pokemon Go on my phone, the app on your phone. And you just put this on your arm or you could just hold it or whatever. But this helps you catch Pokemon. You just click the button and it catches Pokemon for you. So this is actually my boyfriend's, but he let me use it because, long story short, I just needed to catch Pokemon. I'm a nerd. I still play Pokemon Go. But yeah, this is in my bag. So that's all that is in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed. I like doing these type of videos because you get to know a little bit about a person by what they have on, what they carry in their bags and what they have on them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Telfar bag. And if any of these things that I have in my bag, you carry it also in your bag, or if any of these things are kind of strange to have in the bag, or what I should be carrying. If I didn't say something that you think I should be carrying in my bag as a woman, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.